You know, as you look at this bike in general, you see a lot of things that look like they might be chrome. Like, for example, the master cylinder for the clutch and the master cylinder for the front brake, uh, the fork tubes, the primary cover, the brake pedal, the foot peg. Uh, well, the rear brake master cylinder might be chrome. I thought it was polished aluminum, but I guess it really is chrome. The rear wheel, the spokes, the hubs, and all that. Almost all of that stuff is actually polished aluminum. Like even on this side of the bike, rocker boxes, cam cover, sprocket cover, that's all polished aluminum. And the exhaust pipes, those are slightly used exhaust pipes. I don't remember where I got them from. There was a little bit of soot in them, like they maybe been run just once or twice, but they were basically unblemished, not dented, not screwed up. But I couldn't stand looking at the chrome. So I took a vibrating sander and I sanded the chrome on them. Don't ask me why. Well, ask me why. I don't like chrome, that's why. The handlebars, the same thing. The handlebars are chrome, and I took my tube polisher sander, which was a little bit aggressive, I think, and I actually sanded the chrome completely off in some areas, but not in other areas. But anyway, the idea was I just wanted to scuff it up to give it that kind of a satiny look like the pipes have. So I may or may not leave the handlebars. It depends if they rust or not. If they rust, I'm going to probably have to get different handlebars. But the handlebars, whatever I get to replace those with, will be of a similar straight, basically a straight drag bar kind of thing with a little bit of a bend in them. One of the few things I bought for the bike that is actually chrome that I bought on purpose is the plug for the timing hole. And we're going to get Ironhead Peg out here, and she's going to do a ceremonial plugging of the last hole. The engine is put together, everything is on it, carb, generator, magneto, points, everything. And the only hole in the motor right now is the timing plug, which, since the timing is set, I've got no need to have a hole there anymore. All right, so Ironhead Peg, backed by popular demand, is going to plug the timing hole plug for us. You ready, Peg?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, cut that open and stick it in there. Pull it up so the guys can see you working on it. There you go, yeah. There you go.
This way?
The other end. There you go. That'll work better.
This way?
Yeah, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Got it?
I think so.
So anyway, that's it. The ceremonial last part of the engine is installed, and the only chrome part that I intentionally bought because it was chrome for this motor. Anyway, that takes care of that. And I guess I am out of here. We'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. Men, if you like this channel and this content, the single most important thing you could do to help grow this channel is to hit the subscribe button. I also have new design coffee cups and stickers available. You know, I like the old coffee cups, but I like these new ones even more. Links are included in the description down below. And for those of you who really want to go the extra mile, you could join me on Patreon. Link is also included in the description down below. And to all of you who have watched these videos, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you very much. I really, really do appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Bye.